Is CBD for you? CBD or cannabidiol is one of the biggest trends in the last few years. In this video, you'll learn the top 10 ways you might benefit from it.
Nation being addicted.
Dr. Terry Shintani, Director of Preventive Medicine at China.
Hi, this is Dr. Shintani for your health. To learn more about CBD and other health topics, subscribe to this channel and click on the bell for notifications. If you have a topic of interest, leave a message with what you'd like to ask me. CBD or cannabidiol is the non-psychogenic cannabinoid found in industrial hemp, which is the same species of plant as marijuana. The difference is that CBD from hemp oil does not contain a significant amount of THC or tetrahydrocannabinol and does not produce a high associated with marijuana. To find out more about this, see the previous video on this channel. What are the benefits of CBD oil? There are some clear benefits of the use of CBD oil, but most of the science is suggestive, under investigation, and not necessarily conclusive. The potential is enormous, however, because there are natural cannabinoid receptors in most of the organ systems of the human body, including brain, immune system, intestine, pancreas, bones, liver, pancreas, and many people and health professionals are willing to use CBD because it is a natural substance and there are few side effects. I'll mention the potential side effects at the end of this video, and it's important that you consider them, especially if you're taking medication. These are the top 10 known and probable benefits of the use of CBD oil. Number 1, epilepsy. CBD is known to have an effect on epilepsy, and it is now FDA approved as a medication known as Epidiolex for the treatment of certain forms of seizure disorder or epilepsy. So we now know that even the FDA acknowledges that there is a pharmacological effect of CBD oil. Number 2, anxiety. Probably the most popular use of CBD is as a supplement to reduce anxiety and stress. Human and animal studies are emerging that confirm its effectiveness in curbing anxiety and stress in adults and even in children. Number 3, depression. Another emerging use of CBD oil is for depression. While the studies are very preliminary for depression, because of the side effects of antidepressant medication, it may be worth a try to use CBD because of its lack of toxicity. Number 4, chronic pain. Its use for chronic pain is also an important use because it may be a way to reduce the need for pharmacological painkillers, including the use of opioids. While the most convincing studies on pain use both CBD and THC in the control of pain, but the research suggests that CBD alone may be helpful. This may be important in conditions such as cancer pain and neuropathic pain, which are sometimes conditions in which the use of pharmaceuticals are either ineffective or have unwanted side effects. Number 5, arthritis and inflammation. Some of the research suggests that CBD is useful as an anti-inflammatory agent and useful by itself in controlling arthritis pain because of this anti-inflammatory effect. Animal studies on osteoarthritis suggest that it may also protect against nerve damage. Number 6, bone healing. There's also some promising evidence that CBD can enhance bone healing. This is based on a study of the healing of broken bones in rats that indicates that the use of CBD increased the rate of healing and strength of the healing bone. Number 7, antioxidant and neuroprotection. There is also evidence that in addition to anti-inflammatory effects, CBD also has antioxidant effects that protect against nerve damage as well. Number 8, Alzheimer's disease. Besides the neuroprotective effects of CBD, there is also emerging research that CBD oil may be useful in managing Alzheimer's disease, as demonstrated in animal models. Number 9, nausea and inflammatory bowel disease. Cannabis that includes both CBD and THC have long been acknowledged to be useful for nausea and vomiting. Because of the restrictions in the use of THC, many are using CBD alone for nausea with some success. CBD may also help with other gastrointestinal conditions, such as inflammatory bowel disease. Number 10, insomnia. CBD may also be useful in insomnia. While the research is still sparse, one study of 72 individuals indicate that 66% of them had better sleep with the use of CBD oil. There are dozens of other uses that are suggested by current research, and many of them are under clinical investigation at this time. Of course, individual results do vary, and everyone should be aware of the side effects, which I promised to mention. Some of the side effects include dry mouth, loose stool, reduced appetite, drowsiness or irritability, fatigue, and CBD can also interact with other medications that you're taking, such as blood thinners. So if you're taking medication, especially blood thinners, you should talk to your doctor first, because CBD can slow the degradation of certain medications, and like many supplements, may have other interactions with certain medications. For now, because CBD is basically an over-the-counter supplement with relatively mild possible side effects, it may be worth a try for any of these conditions to see how you respond while we await further studies on CBD. I hope you enjoyed this summary of the top 10 benefits of CBD oil. If you liked this video, please subscribe and click on the bell for notifications. This is Dr. Shintani for your health.